If you're a cat owner, ensuring the health and well-being of your feline friend is a top priority. One common concern among pet owners is the presence of worms in their cats. In this brief guide, we'll explore the signs that can help you determine if your cat may have worms. 1. Visible worms in feces or around the anus. One of the most obvious signs that your cat may have worms is the presence of actual worms in their feces or around their anus. These worms can vary in size and appearance, including tapeworm segments that resemble rice grains or roundworms that look like spaghetti. 2. Changes in appetite. Keep an eye on your cat's eating habits. A sudden increase in appetite coupled with unexplained weight loss can be an indication of worms. Conversely, a loss of appetite can also be a sign. 3. Vomiting or diarrhea. Frequent vomiting or diarrhea, especially if it contains visible worms or has a foul odor, may be an indication of a worm infestation. 4. Bloated abdomen. A distended or bloated abdomen in your cat can be a sign of a severe worm infestation, particularly in kittens. 5. Lethargy and weakness. If your usually active cat becomes lethargic, lacks energy, or appears weak, it could be due to worms sapping their vitality. 6. Visible worm segments in fur. In some cases, tapeworm segments may attach themselves to your cat's fur around the anus, causing irritation and discomfort. 7. Scratching or scooting. Cats with worms may experience itching and discomfort, leading them to scratch their rear end or scoot along the floor. 8. Dull coat and poor condition. Worms can affect your cat's overall health, leading to a dull, lackluster coat and poor physical condition. 9. Respiratory issues. In rare cases, certain types of worms, such as lungworms, can lead to respiratory problems in cats, causing coughing or wheezing. 10. Visible eggs or worms in the cat's living area. Check your cat's living environment for any signs of worm eggs or larvae. This could include bedding, litter boxes, or areas where your cat frequently rests. If you notice any of these signs or suspect that your cat may have worms, it's essential to consult with your veterinarian promptly. They can perform diagnostic tests and recommend appropriate treatment options, such as deworming medications. Regular veterinary checkups and a preventative worming schedule can help keep your beloved feline friend healthy and worm-free. Remember that maintaining good hygiene for both your cat and its living space is crucial in preventing future infestations.